Warning, Bitcoin has just flipped. Price moving down. We need to talk about what the heck is going on right now. We also need to discuss some big altcoin news. We have all kinds of crazy altcoin news, memecoin news. Let's just get it. So first and foremost, what the heck is going on with the price of Bitcoin? Price down, well, I guess probably 6 or 7% today now, but it's up 150% this year, guys. Classic Bitcoin. You know, I felt like we were going to get to 100K Bitcoin. Felt like it was going to happen very soon. Surely some dude on the internet wasn't making a video about that yesterday. Lark. Well, we were damn close again yesterday, but not yet. Not yet. The fabled 6-figure Bitcoin has not yet happened. We're damn close, though. Gosh, we're darn close. And I know the price is currently dumping. But essentially, the price right now has dumped right back down into a key area of price support. You can see right here. So as long as we maintain sort of above this orange line, then nothing more than a normal price correction, just coming down here to essentially just retest this major area of what was resistance here to be support. Now, however, we do have a bearish crossover, as you can see right here, playing out right now on the MACD. So we had a beautiful run here. You got to give us some credit. Bitcoin had a beautiful run, okay? We had 3 weeks of intensely crazy price action here for Bitcoin. Nice MACD uptrend. That is now losing its momentum, okay? We had a bearish divergence playing out here on the RSI as well, which we can take a look at. You can see, of course, we put in our initial high here, we put in another high here. However, at the same time, we saw the RSI cooling down for a bearish divergence to come in. Now, does that mean the market cycle's over, new bear market starting now? I don't think so, okay? I think we're not even close to a market cycle peak yet, okay? 150K, 200K, more likely, potential 250K is a pico talk moment. Volatility is normal. Price corrections, I mean, guys, we're not even down 10% from the recent highs at 99K, okay? We're down 8 or 9% or something. Maybe we go down a little bit further. Maybe we come back down to retest, well, the next area of price support right here around $85,000, $86,000. That wouldn't be crazy. That wouldn't be anything to freak out about. I just want you to understand that, okay? Crypto Amsterdam says we dipped a few percentage points. People are already losing it. Most aren't riding the bull. They're just buying local tops on leverage. Stick to spot, buy red weeks, and relax. Later in the cycle, when we're closer to the top and prices are much higher, dips will feel different. Nobody will be scared. Everyone will rush to buy. It's true. Sentiment right now is definitely not market cycle peak sentiment. Yeah, we had Coinbase and Phantom Apps definitely rolling up very fast. And like I said, that kind of made me paranoid, right? However, no other market cycle top stuff was really happening, except we got a big rush of sentiment on that initial breakout, which is good. It means people who were probably not paying attention, were dialed out of the markets for a few years, are coming back in. It says right now people are angry with their alts and are or will be panic selling them. True. I already see some of this sentiment where, you know, you bought an altcoin a week or two ago and it went up 50%, but now it's not going up another 50% today. Why is that the case? Why is it not? Guys, oh my gosh, the level of impatience around here is insane. If you're sidelined at one end, zoom out, mark your entry zones, pray for double-digit Bitcoin dips to fill them. Okay? There you go. Mr. Crypto saying, historically speaking, Black Friday has always created a massive Bitcoin crash. Of course, everyone's selling their Bitcoin to go out and, you know, stand in line in some store and then rush in and trample other people to death to, like, you know, eat somebody's arm off to buy a TV for 30% discount, man. Classic stuff, man, I tell you. Wall Street did dump some Bitcoin today. They dumped $400 million of Bitcoin. Wow, must be the end times. We're only up $30.3 billion in net inflows so far this year for Bitcoin ETF products. Probably the end of times. Probably. Interesting. BlackRock, again, $250 million of buying pressure. BlackRock almost exclusively does not sell. They almost only buy. Okay? It's institutional money. Some of the others, ETFs like Fidelity, are a little more retail focused, and maybe swing funds and stuff like that. People do take profits, and that's fine. Some of these guys might have bought at 60K and now they sold at 95K and locked in some profits, which is fine. It's normal. It's normal. You'll see whales and stuff when we have big moves up like that, locking in profits. Bitcoin Archive sharing this. Anybody selling Bitcoin right now is selling into a market where there's ample demand from institutions. Oh, yes. That's from Mara Holdings CEO. MicroStrategy bought another 55,500 Bitcoin for $5.4 billion at $97,000 per Bitcoin. Yep. Other people just out here selling their Bitcoin, Not waiting for 100K. Came all this way. You're not going to wait for 100K? Come on. Schwab Network predicting Bitcoin can reach 50 or 500K to $1 million if Trump establishes a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Those kind of numbers just worry me. They do. They seem like the kind of numbers that are going to get a lot of people in trouble because that may not happen. Hey, real quick shout out to Sui for sponsoring today's video. Now, of course, we talked about them many times here on the channel. I'm super excited that they wanted to actually work together on some sponsorship stuff to help get more information across about the cool stuff that's going on chain on Sui, okay? So first off, let's talk about Sui Play. This is the Sui gaming handheld device. So you can actually now pre-order this device. I'll leave a link down below if you want to pre-order one of these devices. By the way, there are going to be ample airdrops coming for that device. So much like we've seen with other physical devices from other blockchains, there could be some interesting incentives for actually buying the Sui Play device, okay? So check it out down below. There'll be a link if you want to pre-order one of those devices for yourself, one of those gaming devices. And the gaming ecosystem on the Sui network is absolutely taking off right now. So we're seeing a lot of new games coming out. So for example, FUD the Pug, great name by the way, FUD the Pug. FUD is fuel. FUD rewards will be airdropped to the first wave of Sui Play devices next year. So this is one of the airdrops that's confirmed coming for those Play devices. Very, very cool. MEMECI Club, one of the biggest games on Telegram, now coming over the Sui network. It's powered by Sui Tech and OKX Web 3. You'll be able to play your favorite Telegram game over on Sui. Nice. Nice. I dig it. They say we can't wait for the community to dig in and enjoy the unique blend of meme coins and fantasy gaming. Awesome. I mean, you think about the transaction throughput capacity, and it's a natural fit for gaming, right? You need very cheap fees and very, very fast transactions to be able to have effective gaming. And they just had their Misty Seti upgrade, which now brings their transaction speed for DEXs and stuff now to sub-second, making it the fastest blockchain out there. So again, perfect match for gaming. The Birds Dogs. We're excited to share some major achievements while building on Sui. 310,000 on-chain accounts, 1.3 million on-chain transactions. Why do we choose the Sui network? For everything I've just been saying here. Low gas fees, lightning fast transactions, scalable solutions, and a secure network. Okay? Very, very cool. They say more of our game activities are moving on-chain with exciting new gaming features on the way. If you'd like to learn more about what they are doing, come over here on X, follow them at Sui Network, okay? We can stay up to date with the latest updates coming out. And again, there's a link down below if you want to pre-order that handheld gaming blockchain device. It's got rewards coming for it. Check it out. Link down below. Okay, so moving on to the rest of the news. This is a great share here by Jesse. Bear markets create strong memes. Strong memes create bull markets. Bull markets create bad memes. Bad memes create bear markets. Amen to that, brother. Amen to that. Simon here saying short memes, long utility, deep in, DeSci, DAI, SocialFi, DeFi, gaming, all that kind of stuff. That's in response to CZ Binance saying, I'm not against memes, but meme coins are getting a little weird now. Let's build real applications using the blockchain. Yes, I agree. I agree. More real stuff is absolutely great. You know, more games, more DeFi, more real things. We all love the meme coin degeneracy. It's a bit of fun, right? I like meme coins. They're cool. However, meme coins have gotten totally out of hand as we were discussing yesterday. I mean, things get real dark out there in the meme coin space, guys. Real dark. Wisdom Tree going after a spot XRP ETF. You know, we've talked about this before, but it's worth mentioning. Under the new SEC head that's going to come in January, we are going to get so many damn altcoin ETFs. It's going to be nuts. Solana ETFs, Dogecoin ETFs, XRP ETFs, Litecoin ETFs. It's all coming. It's all coming. It's going to get real frothy and real crazy out here, man. You watch. Robinhood is listing dog with hat. The hat does stay on. My man. My man. We're going to see more of these sort of top tier memes getting listed. And this goes back to, again, what I was saying about yesterday is that, man, you don't need to be out there in the meme coin trenches, you know, throwing 50 or $100 at every new shitter that launches with a $10,000 market cap trying to make it big. 99.9% of you are not going to make it big. You're just going to lose all your damn money. Whereas you can come out and buy something like Dog with Hat, and okay, it's not going to give you 100x returns, but man, you can make a 10x on Dog with Hat this cycle. That's crazy money, man. Everyone trying to win the lottery out here all the time. Avalanche updates. Avalanche 9000 is live on the Fuji testnet, redefining what is possible for builders. 99.9% cheaper to launch an Avalanche Layer 1. 96% fee reduction on the C chain. Unified interchain communication. Retro 9000 is open. $40 million in retroactive grants, including $2 million for referrals. Very, very cool. Big things coming from my AVAX. By the way, I own Avalanche. I own other cryptocurrencies that we discussed here in the video. If you want to see my full portfolio disclosures, you can find those. Link down below on the YouTube description, pin comment over our next current portfolio holdings, OTC deals, venture round investments, all that kind of stuff. Plus a risk statement, because investing in crypto is risky. You can lose all of your money. No, seriously. Seriously, guys. Past returns do not equal future returns. Let's do some APTOS news. Also, bag of APTOS, by the way. Pancake Swap saying we just flipped $1 billion in cumulative trading volume on APTOS's Pancake Swap iteration. Very, very cool. You know, these new shiny chains are getting so much attention, right? SWI, as we've been talking about extensively here on the channel, getting huge amounts of attention. Say as well, APTOS getting a lot of attention too. We're seeing all these new blockchains, the shiny new layer 1 blockchains with the hot tech, doing very, very well this cycle. Token Terminal says, looking for a chart that shows how APTOS is scaling at layer 1, all-time transaction count on ETH layer 1, APTOS layer 1 and base. At the current rate, APTOS is 1 to 2 quarters away from catching up with Ethereum. Well, that's pretty interesting, isn't it? Oh, I think that's pretty interesting. If you're not signed up to the newsletter yet, get signed up to the gosh darn newsletter. It's free. There's a link down below in the description where you can get signed up, get the latest on meme coins, altcoins, DeFi tutorials, altcoin deep dives, news, and much, much more. Link down below. It's free. Go check it out. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you back in the next one. Peace.